In today's video, I am going to teach you how to set up lead magnet on Mailerlite. The goal is simple. Someone fills out your sign-up form, they get added to a group, and Mailerlite automatically emails them a link to download your lead magnet. First, get your lead magnet file ready. This can be a PDF, a checklist, an audio file, or any resource you want to deliver. Upload that file to the Mailerlite file manager, or store it in a cloud drive you trust. The important part is that you copy the direct URL to the file. This direct link is what your subscribers will click in the delivery email, so make sure it opens the file correctly and does not require extra permissions or a login. Next, create your opt-in form. In Mailerlite, make a form that fits your website, either a pop-up or an embedded form. While you are setting it up, choose the group that new subscribers should be added to when they submit the form. This group matters because it will be used to trigger the automation in the next step. Take a moment to confirm the form is connected to the correct group before moving on. Now go to the Automation tab and click Create Workflow. For the workflow trigger, select the option for when a subscriber joins a group. Then choose the same group you connected to your form. This ensures that every new sign-up starts the workflow automatically. After the trigger is set, click the plus icon to add a step and select Email. This is your delivery email, so keep it clear and helpful. Write a short message that thanks the subscriber for signing up and tells them how to access the download. Then add a button or a text link and connect it to the file URL you copied earlier. Before you finish, test the link inside the email editor to make sure it points to the correct file and loads properly. Finally, set the workflow to active so it can start sending, and publish your form so people can subscribe. Once both are live, new subscribers who join that group will automatically receive the email with your lead magnet link. And that covers everything you need to know.